Alright guys, welcome to a game called Realm Grinder. Um, alright. Try to click somewhere. Alright, I can just click and get money. This is a sort of like clicker game, but they said it is more than just a clicker game. So I wanted to check it out and see if it was good. Gem conversion. No, fuck off. I don't know what you, get the fuck off me, I'm anxious. There you go. Good, now open the upgrade manual. Oh, cool. This game looks fun. Sorry if it's going too quick for you guys. Tax collection. Alright. This game looks fun. I actually think this game looks fun. Fun game, fun game. Fun game, fun game. Shop, buy 1, buy 10. Oh, I can also. Oh, here's my money. Okay. Here we go. Shop. What can I buy? Oh, this is like real money. Oh, fuck you. What's this? An assistance. Helps you gather shit. Okay. Well then. Fucking great, isn't it? 25,000, man. Fucking hell. It looks like a fun little game, but I used to play a game where you like send people towards like a place to go. Oh. Oh, that's just what I did. Well, fuck me then. That wasn't really smart, was it? But then you had to like send your people towards another kingdom type like game, and then you had to gather resources and upgrade and other stuff. It was a really fun game, but don't know what happened to it. Never checked it, by the way, but looked like a fun game. But this is a little game. Um, but yeah, it would be cool if you get to like place where you want your shit. It would be cool. I'm not saying that they have to. It's their game, not mine. But it would look really cool. I got 800 a second. Well, fuck me. That's a lot. Events. Fucking hell, I can't even speak properly. But yeah, I don't know what happened to that game actually. I don't know if you guys know how it was called. Please tell me in the comments because I really don't know anymore. 12,000. Okay, I got you, man. I got you. There we go. It is a fun little game. Angel coin. What the fuck's an angel coin? Demon coin. What's that shit? Faction coins. What are factions? Well, I haven't gotten any faction coins. What the fuck? I skipped that. Fuck. Proof of Evil Dead. Turn yourself into an evil villain. Give yourself to the good side, unlocking good related features. Oh, I want a more active game. No, I want an active game. Very straight treaty. Wait, alright, wait a second, alright. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Alright, what's this? Whoa! Alright, calm down. What the fuck's that shit? Would you like settings? Holy shit! Okay. I don't know what that's about. Precious treasure. I don't know what that is. buy one. Buy 10. Buy one. Alright. Let's put it on that. So, one on that coin. One this, one that. Alright. Sorry if guys just keep hearing the clicks. I'll put it a little bit away from the mic. Alright. Oh shit, now I have to. Alright, so I got a few coins. Ooh, what's that? I can buy a demon. I bought a demon! What can I do with that? Can't do shit. Okay, that's great. That was cool. Oh, I can buy undead and I can buy a goblin. That's cool. I like this. It's nice and relaxing, and it has what the developer said. It has something more to it. You don't see it in a lot of games nowadays, that there's like a little twist to it. Something like that. So I like that. I got a goblin coin. Got an evil coin. Wow. Why is there sometimes like, alright, got everything once. No, well, bottom 4. Got them all once. But it is a nice little weird game, I have to say. Oh, what's that? That's an assistant. I got an assistant. I got an elf, by the way. I need a fairy now. All I need is a fairy. What's that? Ooh, more coins. Knight's Joust. Wow. This game does have something more to it. Oh, got myself a fairy. You don't want to buy this exchange, Royal Exchange. Yes. Now what? Now what? What's up? What now? Oh, I can upgrade you already. Alright. Oh, here I can see them. Oh, I did not know that. Ah, I got myself a fucking thing in my ear. 1 second. No, I want more. 50 million coins. Well, fuck you then. Give me some coins, mate. Damn. Damn. Still fucking cool though. I do fucking like this game. It's a good fucking game. I'm not gonna buy this one, and soon I can buy this one. What's this? 100 fairy coins, fairies, friendship, pact. Well, what now? Tax collection. Oh, that. Oh shit. I can get 1 million from that. No way. Wait, what if I do it again? Royal Exchange. No. I want 100 fairy coins. This is. Which one is fairy? Which one is fairy? Fairy. Fairy, fairy. Okay, never mind then. Right, upgrade that. You unlock the trophy 15 upgrades. Great! Alright, I need 50 million to do that. But I want some pacts. Pacts incoming quickly, so I need to wait. Ooh, I can do that. Purchase. I don't care about purchase shit. I worry about what I need now. And upgrade you again. Alright, I don't want that. I want pacts. I want myself some. I want to have pacts. Give me pacts. Alright. Upgrade that shit. Alright, now I want to see it. Look at my country. Looks very pretty actually. I got myself some assistance. This is the light blue one. Yeah. No, I don't know. I don't know. What's that? What the fuck? This is a little fun game actually. I really like this. You still need more. I need lots of money. So catch a draw. What does a catch a draw mean? Or what do you earn me? I got 150,000 a second. Oh my god. Damn. 150,000 right now. But yeah, this game looks very fucking cool actually. But it's free on Steam, of course. So if you are bored and you need like a relaxing little game, you could buy. Well, you could buy. I keep saying buy. You could just download this one because it's a really nice little game, as you can see, of course. Maybe even give me some tips on some of this shit. Clicking more. Alright, what does this mean? While offline, generate 1 clicks per second. While offline, this game goes on online. Fuck me. Nah, bruh. Come on. Give me some fairies. Damn. Look at them clicks. Clits. I keep saying clits. Right. Add one assistant. Alright, good. But I don't know if I'm gonna play this game again. I was just thinking like, oh, nice little game, you know, download it, play it, maybe keep it, maybe delete it. This is not a game that I'm gonna keep on my PC because I'm not gonna make a series of this. This is a clicking game. Nobody wants to see a clicking game all day long. Or like a whole week through. I just want to see the pact, then I'm pretty much done. Let's see what the pacts do. I don't know what the pacts do, so you can wait for that. But it's a fun little game. You guys can check it out on Steam. Type in yo Steam shit, realm grinder. But I will skip to the part where I have lots of coins. So see you guys in a bit. Yes, and I'm back. I got all of them on 100, so I'm gonna check out what this is. Alright. That shit costs a lot of coin. That shit costs a lot. I can only sign fairies shit. Oh, well, fuck me then. Why don't I just fucking do it like this? But all this shit. Alright, now what? So the fairy shit gives me fairy workers. Just gives you upgrades, I guess. Alright, is there actually a green tower somewhere? Get 10,000 a second. Don't know what the fuck I can do with this shit. This gives you a bonus, I guess, but fun little game. Check it out if you're bored. makers, developers, I would think about making this on a phone, because I would like to have this on my phone actually, but I just made a sound with my mouth. I didn't even mean to. But thank you guys for watching, of course. Like, subscribe, all that shit, and I'll see you guys in the next one.